Hello everyone, today I'm going to share my view on whether is it too late to invest in retail investors' all-time favorite, Tesla. I will cover the reasons behind my view and hopefully it can value add to your research if you have been eyeing this stock for a while. Anyway, I'm hoping to reach 100 subscribers, so could you help to like and subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful? I will really appreciate your effort. Okay, let's dive straight to my answer as to whether is it too late to buy Tesla stock. The answer is no, a definite no. Let's break down the reasons for investing in them and also the headwinds that the company is facing right now. Growth, and more growth. Tesla has definitely not fulfilled its full growth potential yet, despite growing massively over the years from an unprofitable company to a solid organization with good profits and free cash flow. In fact, in my opinion, their growth story has just or barely started. First up, the company is growing at a faster pace than other automakers like GM and Ford, and even pure EV players like Rivian and Lucid. In the last earnings call, the company shared that over a multi-year horizon, they expect to achieve 50% average annual growth in vehicle deliveries. Note the term multi-year horizon. That already tells you that their growth is going to sustain for at least a number of years. So if you were to invest in their stock right now, it is likely that you are still able to ride its upside in the multi-year growth journey. To also highlight, it's not all talk and no action by Tesla, as they just opened 2 new gigafactories recently in Texas and Berlin. That's doubling their gigafactories from 2 to 4 in total. And mind you, Giga Texas factory in Austin is the country's biggest factory by size and will also be the highest volume US auto plant when fully ramped up. On top of this, Elon has also suggested he is ready to scale Tesla out to extreme size after he said he was working on a master plan part 3. Several experts have already tipped that the company will set up another gigafactory in UK. The announcement may come end of this year. So, long story short, with such massive expansion plan, Tesla is well on its way to becoming one of the largest automakers in the world. It's just a matter of time. And I believe this sort of expansion and production will definitely be a catalyst to drive the stock price higher from this point. Currently, a lot of Wall Street analysts have only factored Tesla's EV business for their price target, and that itself is already $1,100 in median. The reason why I did not use average price because there are some analysts who gave super low price target, which is not very realistic in my opinion. But of course, this is debatable. Anyway, here's the thing. Besides their EV business, Tesla has many other businesses that are bringing in revenues for them, which could drive the stock price higher in future. Examples of the other sources of revenue are insurance, battery, supercharger, vehicle software, full self-driving, and Tesla Bot. I would not cover them in details or else this video will be very lengthy. You can check out my other video if you want. Among those that I've mentioned, I just wanted to spotlight 2 innovative technologies, FSD and Tesla Bot. Okay, autonomous vehicles have been under development for quite a long time now, and once it's fully implemented or rolled out worldwide, I believe it will greatly impact our daily lives in a good way, as driving will be much safer than before. Also, it will open up another opportunity, which is the robotaxi, where a fully autonomous vehicle can pick up and drop passengers at their destinations without a driver. Tesla's current FSD software is still in beta mode and is only released to some customers. Earlier this year, Elon Musk updated that he would be shocked if Tesla does not achieve full self-driving safer than human this year. So if Tesla can indeed solve the FSD software by this year or maybe early next year, I think the stock price will be further boosted. And for your info, FSD is a huge market to capture as you have other companies like Google, GM, Toyota, Honda working and racing to solve it. In my opinion, among all the companies, Tesla has emerged as the leader in producing both electric and autonomous cars and has established itself as a competitor to beat in the future. In short, Tesla is already disrupting the automobile industry with their EVs. And now it seems like they are working towards disrupting the EV market, which hasn't even matured, with their FSD. How amazing, right? Next, let's talk about the Syfe Tesla bots. Optimus will obviate what an economy even means. This is what Elon said about its Optimus Tesla bot. To add on, he also said that the bot will be able to do basically anything that humans don't want to do, and it's really going to transform the world to a degree even greater than the cars. To be honest, if Tesla is able to succeed in this area, the world will really change, and the market cap for this is almost infinite. Just imagine the efficiency and productivity we can get out of these robots. For example, they can help us to do grocery shopping, prepare dinner before you get home, and many other daily tasks. So long story short, if Tesla's EV business represents a technology S-curve, I would say FSD and Tesla bots are two other S-curves that are much bigger. Even if the FSD and Tesla bots don't work out in the end, I am of the view that the EV market can give you good returns if you start investing in them now. But of course, no company is perfect, just as nobody is perfect. And that brings me to the first risk, which is key person risk. And the key person is none other than CEO Elon Musk himself. We all know that he is eccentric, unpredictable, and very vocal on Twitter. His tweets have caused the stock price to move both up and down massively. On top of this, his recent interest in taking over Twitter has also caused a little bit of hoo-ha as some investors feel that this will be a distraction as his attention may be diverted away from Tesla. But as mentioned, nobody and no company is perfect, and despite Elon's weird behavior, he is the main reason why Tesla is where it is today. Other headwinds include global supply chain issues, shutdown of Shanghai factory, ongoing war, etc. Also, some doubters may argue that the stock price is too high and the company is overvalued. Therefore, it is not the right time to invest now. On this, I feel that for a generation company like Tesla, traditional valuation matrix may not be applicable, just like how Amazon has defied the odds over the years. That said, as Tesla continues to grow in terms of sales and revenue, its profits should increase proportionally. And if they can maintain its high profit margin, the current valuation for the stock will start to make sense in retrospect. My view is that Tesla is arguably the only mega cap company out there that is growing at least 50% annually. It has the massive upside of a young company, yet safety of the traditional FAANG companies like Apple, Google, and Amazon. When you take a step back to look at things, you will realize that the EV industry had only started to pick up worldwide in recent years, and so does Tesla. This means their EV business is only at the initial phase of the S-curve growth. In the latest Tesla Cyber Rodeo event, Elon said this year is all about scaling up, and then next year there's gonna be a massive wave of new products. Therefore, I am of the view that Tesla had just taken off the runway and there's still a lot of room and height to climb before they reach the cruising altitude or full potential. Therefore, if you believe in Tesla and ain't afraid of a little risk and volatility, it is never too late to invest right now. In terms of the stock price, I personally see anything below $1,000 as a good buy. Specifically, if it ever goes back to $800 range, it will be a must buy. And below that, at $600 and $700 range, it is a screaming buy. I really think it is just a matter of time for Tesla to hit $3 or $4 trillion in market cap and to overtake Apple as the world's most valuable company. Interestingly, for those who are not aware, ARK has revised their price target for Tesla from $3,000 per share in 2025 to $4,006 per share in 2026. Their bear and bull cases suggest that Tesla could be worth roughly $2,900 and $5,800 per share in 2026, respectively. I will add a link to the article in the description below. Alright, that's all for this video. Are you invested in Tesla? If so, do type to the moon in the comments section below. Lastly, thanks for watching my video. Hope you can like, share and subscribe to my channel to show a little support. Thank you.